The world is loud and full of hustle and bustle. Sometimes, though, you just want to separate yourself from everything for a bit and chill in silence. For many of us, that basically means putting on a pair of headphones or earbuds and just getting away from it all. With that being said, there's plenty of options to choose from, and with headsets being pretty expensive, you might be interested in a cheaper and less pocket-burning option to get immersed in your podcast or music. Really, the best way to accomplish this is to invest in some decent noise-canceling headphones, which can take you a world away, and that is no means an easy task on a budget. Fortunately, though, there are plenty of options out there for budget noise-canceling headphones for the thrifty shopper watching this video. Yep, I'm talking about you. Look, there's no shame in pinching pennies every once in a while, especially when some budget headphones are just as good, if not better, than some of the high-dollar options out there. Welcome to another video from Top Tier Tech, where today we're going to look at some of the best noise-canceling headphones of 2022. And if you're feeling particularly generous, maybe considering dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. And also, don't forget to ding that notification bell. So headphones are typically one of the more straightforward peripherals around, but there are plenty of things to consider when shelling out cold hard cash for something that's going to be sitting on your head for extended periods of time. For comfort to quality of sound, there is plenty to think about when shopping for noise-canceling headphones. But you should know that, regardless, there's plenty of options for you, even when shopping on a budget. The Sevitz 11 Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. The Sevitz 11 is where you go when you really just need a pair of headphones on the fly and are really versatile. These headphones are about as budget-friendly as you can get, but with some nice features to make the price tag $25 feel like a steal. For instance, the headphones are wireless, but also come with a 3.5mm cable for those moments where you maybe realize that your headphones are about to die. Now, that's not going to be too much of an issue, however, as you'll be getting up to 40 hours of listening time on a single battery charge. In addition to the long-lasting charge, the Sevitz 11 also has a range of 10 meters with its Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, which is perfect for those moments where you just want to finish your show, but you really need to leave your computer to use the restroom. When it comes to high value in a pair of budget headphones, the Sevitz 11 is perfect for you when you just need something on the quick. The ONEODIO A71 high-res studio recording headphones. Let's say that you don't care whether your headphones are wireless or not. Maybe you just want something that's reasonably priced and useful for days in the studio. Well, lucky for you, the ONEODIO A71 studio recording headphones are here for that occasion. Boasting both comfort and great sound via its 40mm speakers, the ONEODIO A71 is built for the consumer who's asking for a little bit from their budget noise-canceling headphones. And the best part is, you're only going to be spending about $33. Now, this pair is not wireless, but it doesn't really matter when you realize that the headphones do come with a 10-foot cable, so as to ensure that you're never having to sit close to your computer ever again. While you're not going to be bringing this along to any excursions, these headphones are perfect for whenever you need your computer from a distance or when you have a pace back and forth in the studio because your newest single hit isn't quite there yet. The Sony MDR ZX110NC. Now, you might be surprised to see a Sony product on here as they're not usually the one that scream budget headphones, but you can be rest assured that they do have some stuff that's perfect for the thriftiest of buyers. Case in point, the MDR ZX110NC pair of headphones are bare bones, but they're perfect quality for the price of $38. They're lightweight and also reduce all ambient noise by about 95%, making it a great pick-me-up if you're trying to keep the budget on the lower side and not wanting to skip out on quality. Almost as if Sony needed to flex on everything on this list, this pair of headphones has a whopping 80 hours of battery life. Seriously, just think about how many albums you can finish in one sitting. Although, you might want to give your legs a break if you do decide to sit for that long, so don't take us up on that. No long cables here, as it only reaches about 4 feet, but the long battery life more than makes up for the lack of such extreme lengths. The Celanese E7. The future is becoming more and more affordable with each passing day, and it is no more apparent than the Celanese E7 headphones. For just $40, you can end up getting its touted active noise canceling system that actively immerses you in your music, audiobooks, or podcasts while in any public setting. Paired with 45mm drivers for crystal clear sound, and you've got some solid mid-tier headphones while on a budget. But wait, You might be thinking to yourself, where does the future part come in? Well, let's say that you maybe wanted to connect to your NFC-enabled device without messing with any menus. Don't worry, because the Celanese E7 comes with NFC Bluetooth function that allows you to connect to NFC-enabled devices in just a touch. It might be a bit of a niche, but being able to connect to devices hassle-free is a nice perk of these headsets. The Anker Soundcore Life Q20. So, what if you're willing to push your budget just a little bit more? Maybe you don't want to cheap out completely on a pair of headphones, but are willing to shell out a little bit more cash for something better. If so, then you need to consider the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 headphones for just $60. What you're going to get is high-quality noise-canceling headphones, which will definitely give you your money's worth. The Q20s tout a hybrid noise cancellation system that has internal and external microphones, which help to filter out any ambient noise around you, leaving only whatever you're listening to interference-free. Along with its very special bass-up technology, which uses a single algorithm to increase the lower frequencies of whatever you're listening to have heavier beats, you can end up immersing yourself in your favorite stadium song while you're waiting for the bus or just relaxing at home. While its 40-hour battery life isn't close to what the Sony headphones have, it's still enough to hear several concerts worth of music. The WYZE noise-canceling headphones. If you are ever feeling particularly wealthy, then maybe you could consider the WYZE noise-canceling headphones as your next purchase. This pair of headphones has plenty of features that make the price tag of $90 well worth it. For instance, it uses a mobile app to control the various audio settings and creates custom profiles that allow for different settings depending on what you're using the headphones for. If you are wanting to be connected to more than one device at one time, then we know that the WYZE headphones Bluetooth 5.0 helps to support dual device connection. You can now be connected to your phone and computer at the exact same time and even use them at the exact same time as well. Do you not want the noise canceling features on for some reason? Well, then take solace in knowing that the WYZE headphones do allow you to turn that function off. The innovation doesn't stop there, however, as they also come with integrated Alexa support, so you can seamlessly use her functions without having to pull out your phone. To top it all off, you can also answer calls and activate Alexa by tapping the side of your headphones. The Philips Audio Fidelio L2. Now we're coming to the high-end models on the spectrum. If you're looking for some high-quality budget headphones for a little bit under $100, then look no further than the Philips Audio Fidelio L2 headphones. With high-quality audio performance that really brings out the best sound from whatever track you're listening to. According to its feature list, the sound quality can even exceed most 16-bit 44.1 kHz CD formats. Along with 40mm drivers, the center vent on the headphones allow for rich acoustics and different bass settings from your favorite sounds. The build quality of these headphones is fantastic, being made from aluminum for not just a sleek look, but also a sturdy form that'll last you a long time. Now, while they are not wireless, the 6.3mm adapter does make it perfect for whatever mobile device that you got on hand. Even if it's not as feature-rich as some of the other headphones on our list, the Philips Audio Fidelio L2 is a solid pick that will last you a long while with the price you're paying. So, there you have it, folks. That's our list of the best budget noise-canceling headphones that we've got for today. What did you guys think? Was there any particular pair of headphones that may have caught your eye? Which ones do you think is the best bang for your buck? And were there any headphones which we may have missed, which you think should have been on our list? Let us know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, along with dinging that notification bell. Until next time, folks, stay safe and stay informed.